Dear children, good morning to all of you. Children, I hope you all are keeping well at home. And today I welcoming you all to Standard 5 SST class. Quickly all of you open SST book and chapter 5. Okay, hope you all are get ready with your SST book and chapter 5 and open page number 33. Yesterday I already started this chapter. We discussed about desert climate and Saudi Arabia, location, land surface, then climate, vegetation, animal life. We already discussed. And today we will discuss about the life of people. Okay, children? See? So let's continue the chapter. The estimated population of Saudi Arabia is 28.6 millions. About 3/4 of the people are native Saudis. Most of them live in urban areas. Riyadh is the largest city and the capital of Saudi Arabia. So Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia and also largest city also. The rural people live in their villages near the oasis. Their major occupations are farming and near rearing of sheep and camels. These people move from one place to another in search of greenery. Such people are called nomads. A group among these are called the Bedouins. Exchange their goods like lambs, sheep, goats, cheese, wool, carpets, etc. for dates, food grains and other things. The lifestyle of Bedouins is hard. They live by breeding camels, with which give them milk, butter, hair to make clothes, tents and rugs. They speak Arabic language. They are known for their politeness. Nowadays, their lifestyle is changing. They settle at a place permanently and use cars and jeeps for moving from one place to other. So children, turn the page. The traditional dress of Saudi Arabia is a long cloak worn over a smock. They cover their heads with a cloth held tightly with the help of a ring made of camel hair. People living in cities wear western clothes. Almost all people of Saudi Arabia speak Arabic. It is their official language. English is widely used for international and business dealings. Almost all schools teach English. Islam is the religion they follow. Most of them live in towns. They work in factories and some are traders. The petroleum industry has changed the lives of people here. In the cities, modern apartments with facilities like air conditioners, swimming pools, hospitals, school and supermarkets are common. Next we'll see natural resources. Petroleum or liquid gold is the most important natural resource of Saudi Arabia. About a quarter of the world's oil reserves are found here. Copper, gold, iron, ore, silver are the other resources of this region. With the discovery of petroleum along the Persian Gulf coast of the region during the year 1933, Saudi Arabia has become one of the richest countries of the world. It has a quarter of the world's petroleum reserves. Petroleum and petroleum products account for about 40% of Saudi Arabia's total economic production. The income earned from the sale of petroleum is used for developing industries like petroleum refining, petrochemicals, iron and steel, fertilizer and cement. Variety of consumer products are also manufactured. The latest farming methods using machines are being employed here. Modern education is provided through the establishment of a large number of schools and colleges. Small scale industries like processed foods, textiles, leather, soap and handicraft items are also common. Mining is a small but growing industry. Saudi Arabia mainly exports petroleum. It also exports shrimps. Its fishing industry is small. Next we'll see transportation and communication. Saudi Arabia has many cities. Their road system is good. It connects various parts of the country. There is a railway system which operates between Riyadh and the Persian Gulf port of Ad-Daman. International airports are located at Bahrain, Jeddah and Riyadh. Ras Tanura, Ad-Daman and the Red Sea ports of Jeddah and Yanbu are the major ports. A number of new cities have been developed. The old cities have been modernized. Riyadh is the largest city. It is the capital of Saudi Arabia. Its well-developed roads are lined with royal places and government buildings. The city is full of modern skyscrapers. Jeddah is the chief seaport and the chief air terminal of Saudi Arabia. It is the gateway to the holy cities of Mecca and Medina. Mecca is the greatest pilgrimage center for Muslims, followed by Medina. It is a modern city with skyscrapers, parks, markets, educational institutions and hospitals. The international airport at Jeddah is one of the world's largest airports. The Saudi Arabians with their hard work have converted a hot desert region into a prosperous region. Today we find a number of Indians working and trading with Saudi Arabia. So children, here this chapter is over and here let's learn words. Barren means a land where nothing grows. Sand dunes means hills formed of sand. Oasis, a fertile place in deserts with underground water. And nomads means people who do not live at one place. Caravan, row of camels. Okay children, you read this chapter and write down the important things in the copy. Okay, thank you.